Running a bakery is not like running any other local business. So your website can't be some, boring cookie cutter template that might work for, a random consulting firm or a plumber. Now, your customers care about things like today's flavors, custom cake designs, pickup times, and whether you sell out early. And if your website doesn't answer those questions quickly, well, they'll just click on over to the next bakery right down the street. Now, a solid site should let people see your menu, place orders, check your hours and location, and get a feel for your style before they ever walk in the door. And by the end of this video here, you'll know exactly which website builder makes the most sense for your bakery. And if you skip around or click away early, well, you may end up choosing the wrong website builder overall, which means in 6 to 12 months, you'll be back at square one building a new one. So let's avoid that. A bakery website has to do more than just look nice, right? It needs to show off your products visually, handle frequent menu changes, and make it easy for people to order in advance for birthdays, weddings, and events. You're dealing with fresh inventory, seasonal specials, and time-sensitive orders, so your website needs to be flexible and easy to update without a ton of tech skills. Now, if you choose the wrong platform, you'll either be stuck with, something that's too basic and limiting, or you'll just waste a lot of hours trying to figure out features that never quite work the way that you need. But before we move forward, I have to say, so if you're like me and you don't have all the time in the world to research, dozens of website builders, and you just want the best option for roughly 99% of bakeries, go ahead and click this link right up here to try it for free with the absolute best pricing offer that I could find if you decide to upgrade later in the future. Now, no pressure to click that link right now, of course, but it is going to be there throughout the video if you need it. That all said, as we go into the next section here, you'll see why choosing the right builder up front can save you a ton of headaches, especially once your bakery starts getting busier. Now, for most bakeries, Wix is going to be the best all-around choice because it gives you a nice balance of design freedom, ease of use, and built-in tools that you actually need. If you're a bakery owner who's struggling baking, staffing, and maybe even doing your own marketing, you probably don't want to spend nights learning code. Wix lets you drag and drop photos of your cupcakes, add menus, highlight custom cake options, and set up online ordering or inquiries without feeling overwhelmed. Bakery owners really tend to like Wix because you could start with a template made for food or restaurants and then just, tweak it to match your branding, your colors, and your vibe. You could showcase mouth-watering galleries, add sections for wedding cakes or catering, and even create separate pages for seasonal things like holiday cookie boxes. On top of that, Wix makes it pretty straightforward to set up contact forms for custom orders, add pickup instructions, or integrate basic e-commerce if you want people to pay in advance for special orders. Now, a few limitations for bakeries that, if you grow into a really, really big operation with multiple locations, very complex online ordering, or deep custom functionality, Wix can feel a little tight compared to more advanced platforms. But for a bakery with a single location or, 2 locations, it usually has more than enough power. Now, pricing is generally in the low to mid-monthly range, depending on the plan and whether you need full e-commerce. So it is very reasonable for most small bakery budgets. Now, again, if you want to check out Wix for yourself by creating a completely free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. And if you're sitting here wondering, okay, but what if I care more about having a super polished designer looking site than tons of features? Well, the next option here might be exactly what you're looking for instead. Squarespace is a great fit if your bakery leans heavily into branding, aesthetics, and that, Instagram worthy type of look. If your shop is known for beautiful decor, elegant desserts, and a higher end vibe, Squarespace's clean, modern templates can make your website feel like an extension of your storefront. It's especially good for bakeries that do a lot of custom cakes, wedding desserts, or upscale pastry work where visuals really sell the experience. Bakery owners, they like Squarespace because it's pretty easy to maintain and the templates do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. You can add sections for your menu, photo galleries, testimonials, and an inquiry form for custom orders with just a few clicks. It also has built-in tools for simple online ordering and scheduling, which can work well if your ordering process isn't super complicated. That said, Squarespace, it usually isn't quite as flexible as Wix when it comes to layout freedom and, certain types of integrations. Now, if you want to really customize every inch of your pages or add, more advanced features down the road, Wix tends to give you a little bit more room to grow. Squarespace can also feel a bit more rigid if you're trying to do unique menu layouts or more complex pricing setups. Pricing, though, is similar to Wix, often in that same low to mid-monthly range, with e-commerce tiers costing a little bit more. But if you want to check out Squarespace for yourself, there is a link for them in the description below, which will lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for new customers. And if your main goal, it isn't just looks, but also getting a fast, affordable site online that can handle orders without slowing down, well, the next option here might be more up your alley. Hostinger is a solid choice if you're watching your budget, but you still want a professional online presence for your bakery. It's especially good for bakery owners who don't mind a little bit of DIY and want fast, reliable hosting with a website builder or WordPress setup on top. Now, if you're just getting started or your margins are tight, Hostinger can help you keep monthly costs down while still giving you a site that loads quickly and looks good. Now, bakeries, they like Hostinger because performance and price are its biggest strengths. A fast website is crucial if you're showing high quality photos of your products. Slow load times can really cause people to bounce before they ever even see your menu. Now with Hostinger, you either use their own builder or install WordPress and choose a bakery or restaurant theme, which gives you flexibility to build the exact site that you want. Now this can work really well if you want things like detailed product pages, blog posts about new flavors, or SEO-friendly content to bring in more local traffic. Now on the flip side, Hostinger does require a bit more tech comfort compared to something like Wix or Squarespace, especially if you go the WordPress route. Now you have more control, but also more responsibility, so picking themes, managing plugins, and keeping things updated. Pricing though is usually very affordable, especially on the longer term plans, which can be a big win for small bakeries trying to control fixed costs. So if Hostinger sounds like it's the best fit for you, go ahead and check out the link in the description below, which also entitles you to a special deal that they are running right now for new customers. And if none of these options really feel like a perfect match yet, well, don't worry, because before you decide on any of these or others, you need to know exactly what features matter most for a bakery website. And that's what we're going to dive into here next. So when you're choosing a website builder for your bakery, there are a few key things that you should always look for so you don't end up stuck with a platform that just can't keep up. First, you want strong, easy to use menu and product display options. You should be able to quickly add or remove items, list ingredients or allergy info, and organize things into categories like cupcakes, breads, pastries, and custom cakes without it, turning into a formatting nightmare. Second, look for online ordering or inquiry tools that match how your bakery actually operates. Some bakeries, they want, full e-commerce where people pay online and pick up later. And then others just need a simple form so customers can request quotes for custom orders. Make sure that the builder can handle your style of ordering, whether that's, same-day pickup, pre-orders, or large events. Third, pay attention to mobile friendliness. So a huge chunk of your customers will find you on their phone while they're out and about. Your site should look great and be easy to navigate on mobile with quick access to your address, your hours, your phone number, and your menu. Fourth, you'll want good image support so your photos look sharp without slowing everything down. And your baked goods, they sell best when people can almost, taste them through the screen, right? So the builder should make it easy to upload galleries and feature hero images on your homepage. And finally, don't ignore local SEO features, things like built-in blogging, easy control over page titles and descriptions, and integrations with Google Maps. Now they will help your bakery show up when people search for, bakery near me in your area. Now, at the end of the day, all three of these website builders would work, right? But Wix is usually the best overall option for most bakeries because it hits that sweet spot between ease of use, design flexibility, and the features that you actually need, like menus, galleries, and simple ordering or inquiry forms. So if you're tired of losing customers because your website is outdated, hard to update, or you don't even have a website at all, right? Wix is probably the fastest path to fixing that. And again, if you're ready to get something live without waiting on a developer, you can click right up here to create a completely free account and start building your bakery's website today. Now, if you have any questions for me, or you're a little bit confused about which one you should pick or anything like that, no problem at all. Just drop me a comment below and I will do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching and happy baking.